How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our dual memory K-Force 27 TIR mini light bar. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness here. Now on your cable harness, you'll have your connector here, and this is to be used with our optional grand control, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your SIG plug here for power, or you can cut this off and hardwire to power if you'd like to as well. And then you have your aux line here, where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your grand control. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the features. So for example here, I brought an amber unit and I'm using my optional grand control, which I plugged in via connector. And then I went ahead and hooked up my SIG plug here for power. Now on my grand control, I have my power button, which will activate my switch box. And then here I have my mode 1 and mode 2 buttons. Now since this is a dual memory unit, I have two flash pattern memories. So in mode 1, I have a half-half style flash pattern programmed, and then I can easily switch over to mode 2, where I have an alternating style flash pattern. And I do have flash pattern memory per power mode, so I can easily power my unit off and back on and remember the last pattern it was on. And here I have my pattern button, which I can use to easily cycle through my pre-programmed flash patterns on my light bar, and I can easily do that whether I'm in power mode 2 or in power mode 1. And then here I have my TD button, which will steady burn override my two side takedown lights here, and those do operate independently whether my light bar is flashing or not as well. And then here I have my aux button, and then here I have my night mode button. Now let's go over night mode. When it comes to our night mode, this will only be applicable on our optional grand control, and there's two ways to activate your night mode. You can either activate it via button on your control box, which will activate your red backlight LEDs, or you'll see a white cable here coming off of your cable harness. So let me go ahead and turn off my button here. Now when your white cable has power, that will activate your red backlight LEDs for the night mode as well, and that will make your night mode button on your control box inactive. So you'll want to either use your white cable to activate the night mode, or if you're not using your white cable, you'll want to use the night mode button on your control box. And then when you activate your buttons, you'll see that those will light up blue while you have your red backlight LEDs there. So you'll see you have the perfect option whether you would like to hardwire your night mode, or you can activate your night mode via button there. So we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating, and we do have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. Now for example here, I brought an amber unit on the bottom, and then in the middle, I brought one of our red, blue, half-half color setups, and then up top, I brought our green, clear, alternating color setup. Now you'll notice on all of my light bars that I do have different flash patterns programmed, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And remember with your dual memory that you do have a flash pattern memory per power mode 1 and power mode 2. On all of our mini light bars, you will have your included magnetic feet here, which are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And then you'll also see our optional permanent stud mount brackets and our optional headache rack mount brackets, and those will mount by using the hardware from your magnetic feet. So that covers our dual memory K-Force 27 TIR mini light bar. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your unit before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.